Hey guys. 1 second. Let's see. My car tender now. Let's see. That's some stuff to take care of. Alright guys, well here it is right here. A fire truck I just got for my makeshift farm here. Oops. I can do whatever I want. I can add upload stickers and stuff. Upload my own. Even special stripes.
Chevy out in a school bus and reaches across the land. Good old Nathan Redneck Rickham.
Alright, this is my second one right here I have.
If you want to take a swim, there's watering home. I just jump in a car and go.
School bus.
What we call it a redneck detail.
200.
Where the farm life ain't so bad.
Alright, I'll show you guys the one I built, custom painted myself. As soon as it comes up. Camera might be coming home soon. Where is it? Oops. Oh, my aunt had one of these. Not one of those though, but this one right here, just like this one. Oh, there it is.
Never seen a car do that before. Man, I'd hate to be in the car when that dumpster went over it. Holy shit. Where the farm life ain't so bad. When it's all about having fun.
I see a Plymouth or something. No, or Dodge or something, I can't tell. The rims are stock.
The weather is nice and the people are too. The ladies show their charms. I'm getting ready for the weekend.
Howard's not stock.
Oh yeah.
This is the original bus that I set up.
I gotta tell you, man.
But let me show you something.
Wild stuff.
But as you can see, it's not a real one. Not like the other one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.
And I ain't never seen a motorhome do that before either. Holy